So this video is going to show you how you can create your own student schedule, and I call it a survival schedule because it has all of your times and all of your Zoom links, everything in one place. And I actually got this idea from a 10th grade student of mine, and I think it's a great idea, and I hope it's useful for you as well. So immediately when you open up this document, it is going to force you to make a copy for yourself. So once you get that copy, you want to put your name up here. So I would change it to here, that's my first name. And then I would go here and start replacing the highlighted areas with my name. Okay, so do the same. I'm going to look at my schedule in Aspen, and I'm going to find all my teachers' names, and I'm going to put them in here. So if I have Miss Crowley for advisory, that would go here. And then I'm going to replace all the class names with the periods that I have. So Zoom links. Let me show you how to find your Zoom link. You want to click on this Excel web page, and it brings you to our home page. And at the very top of the page, you're going to see an orange navigation bar. You want to click on this. Zoom links can be found here. And then this entire spreadsheet of all of the teachers' Zoom links at the school is here. So it is loading. And once you give it a second to load, you're going to click on it and you're going to do Control F as in Frank. Sometimes it's Command F as in Frank, but on most Chromebooks it is Control F, and you find this search bar. This is a great way to search for something in any document. And if I know that my teacher's name is Miss McCarthy, which is me, I'm going to put in my last name, and I'm going to look, and there's the name. And then I'm going to go to the right, and I see all of my teachers' links. So then if I have Miss McCarthy, me, for period 3, I'm going to click on the box. So see how it's blue and highlighted around that box? That means that you're in the box. So here's my Zoom link, okay? But I don't want to click on it. I want to just click on this box. And then I want to press Control C, or sometimes if you're on a Mac, it's Command C. That copies just the box with the blue outline on it. And then I'm going to click back to my schedule that I've just made. Okay, and again, if I have Miss McCarthy period 3, I'm going to go down here, I'm going to click on this where the Zoom link goes, and I'm going to do Control V as in Victor. And then on a Mac, it's Command V. So it's the button next to the left of your space bar. Okay, so see how it puts the Zoom link or the hyperlink with the Zoom link in it into the appropriate box. So if I click on this, yep, I see my Zoom link. And so here it is. I would just click Open Zoom, and I'm waiting for the teacher to start the class. And of course, when you do Zoom, you always want to join with video and internet audio. This takes a little time to set up. It's totally worth it, because I do this for myself when I'm taking a class or when I'm teaching, right? I have all of this in one document. And I like it because it reminds me that, okay, yes, I have a 3-minute break between classes, but what do I need to do in that break? Maybe a quick bathroom break, maybe grab some water, maybe a snack. But I do have to transition to my next class. And what that means in online learning is that I need to click on my next teacher's Zoom and just get in and wait for my teacher to let me in. Same thing with Google Classroom code. When your teacher invites you to the classroom, you want to grab the code, okay? This right here, teacher email, you want to ask your teacher for her email or his email. Some teachers will have phone numbers or remind codes. I'll put that in here as well. So some teachers have that. And then this is very important. When is work assigned by your teacher? When is it due? So some teachers have set days of the week that work is assigned and due. And that's very important to put all in one place because otherwise it's a lot to carry around in your head with all these different classes. If they don't have a set date or that it's due, if it's not due in one lump date, then ask your teacher how they assign work. Is it every night? Is it every other night? So I know for me, it is this right here. I put it as an example. Then set a reminder on your phone or on your calendar. Make sure that, and it happens if my work is due for ELA every Saturday at 8 p.m., I want to set a reminder on my phone that Friday night, don't set it for Saturday at 8 p.m. Set it the day before so that it reminds you, hey, your work is due in 24 hours, so make sure you go back and that your assignments are all completed. Down after school, the green row, make sure you do this right after school. Spend the 10 minutes it's going to take to go to each teacher's Google Classroom and look under the classwork tab. So let me show you what I mean here. I'm going to go into my classroom. Google Classroom is very confusing because everything is in the stream, right? This is the stream and it gets really confusing and bogged down. I want to hang out here in the classwork tab. Click on it. This is where my teacher has put all of the assignments, okay? So it's in order of the most recent assignment first, unless your teacher organizes it differently. So I hope this is useful for you. Feel free to email me, or if you're my student, or my email is jmccarthy6@bostonpublicschools.org. Just so you know, all of the teachers' emails will end like this. They do not end like student emails, and so that's important to note when you're emailing your teachers. So I hope this is useful, and good luck.